Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to do a small wing bowl from Camel Thorn. So right now we are just marking out for the Mortise. Alright, we've got the camera in position, the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to shape. So the first tool we've got is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Flattening off the bottom there and taking away the corners. Obviously not all of them because we want to keep the wing shape. It's a very dense wood this was, very heavy, even though it was a small piece. There you go. Alright, so now we are going to make the mortise. The first tool we're going to use is the mid-size detailer. Clean it all out with the #1 hollower. Flatten it all off with the mid-size rougher and use the detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chop. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding now, so just going to sand to 240 grit with clean spore abrasives. There you go, bit of compressed air there. And a quick wipe down with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to wipe the grain. Give it a clean. Some matte sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Just wipe this all over and then you just buff it in until you have a clean paper towel. Let the abrasive break down and do its job. And then you wait until, like I say, wait until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go. And some Hampshire Sheen microcrystalline wax. Wipe this all over, let the solvents evaporate and buff it in. And you turn your lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and just build up that heat as you're buffing it in. You don't want to push too hard and wipe off any wax that you just put on. There we go, just turn the lathe up here. And now we're buffing it in, building up that heat. Very wary of them wings. You don't want to get your fingers caught in them. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to go to the top now. Going to flatten the top off using the mid-size rougher. Use a pencil now to find out where we want the dish to be. And now we're going to use the #1 hollower to hollow it out. Even though this wood was incredibly dense, this #1 hollower ate through this wood. Fantastic tool. And we're using the detailer here just to add some detail lines around the edge. Just turn the lathe off here just to give it a bit of a check. And we realise we can put one more in there, so that's what we're going to do. And there you go. Alright, back to sanding. So once again, sanding to 240 grit. Bit of compressed air. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. And some Hampshire Sheen microcrystalline wax. Obviously pull your sleeves up. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. There will be some pictures at the end. Don't forget, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. Give it a big old thumbs up. If you want to see any more of my videos, they'll click them pictures on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.